All right, I'm gonna show y'all how to make some ginger tea. Help you feel better. You know, I got tested positive for COVID Sunday, and I've been taking my vitamins and drinking some ginger tea, and also emergency. So I'm trying to stay healthy. So I want to show you guys how to continue to be healthy and get over this COVID thing real quick. As of now, I can taste, well, I can smell about 5-10% of whatever I'm smelling, but it's not as strong, and my taste buds hasn't fully came back yet. So let me show you how to make this ginger lemon tea. All right, first what you want to do is you want to have a pitcher like this, and you want to put 2 quarts in it. Just want to pour this 2 quarts into the pot or whatever. Make sure it's big enough to hold 2 quarts. I'm gonna turn this on and let it boil while you peel your ginger. Okay.
I get that.
The best thing I like to use is a spoon.
Why you
to
put
peel
that
the
one over
ginger.
there? That wasn't that
Throw it
good.
in the trash. You get a spoon to peel the ginger. Make sure you rinse it off. I already rinsed off all of it, so you just want to take it and you want to just peel it like this right here. And you can break it up so you can get in between the crevices. Sometimes it may slip out, but also I want to fast forward the video while I'm doing this so you guys can, I don't want to make it too long, you know. Okay, once you get those done cut up, what you want to do is chop the ginger up into cubes. I normally use ginger that's, you know, the real large type of ginger. So make sure you buy that kind instead of the small pieces, because it could take quite a long time. So just cut them up like this. Okay, once you get them all chopped up, I'm going to take this and pour it into the boiling water and let that boil for 20 minutes. No longer than 20 minutes. We'll cut the heat down to medium, like on what, low 5 or whatever, and let that boil, and then just come back and check it out after it's done. Okay, once that's done boiling, you want to take pot, you're going to take the ginger along with the ginger cube and pour it into the pitcher like this. Okay. You want to take 2 lemons, cut up 2 lemons, like that. And it's best to have one of these lemon squeezers because it'll make it easier. And ginger and lemon is also good for your immune health as well as weight loss and nausea, stuff like that. It's a great detoxing drink. So You can drink it even if you don't even, even if you're not sick. Just drink it on a daily basis or regular basis. Or
First
whatever.
thing in the morning, 8 ounces.
And I broke.
Finally, you
Did I
broke it.
break it?
Yes.
Yep.
Y'all
I broke
don't
it.
break it.
Let's try to squeeze this last one out. It's going.
Wow.
Alright. Do it like this.
It's gonna be seeds.
It's okay. It was at its last wits anyway. It was
Yeah.
giving in. We gotta get another one.
Got it from Home Goods a year or two ago.
Alright.
See how powerful COVID is?
And after you've done that, just stir it up a little bit, and that's it. You can drink it cold or hot, however you like it. It's best to drink it hot when you have the COVID, so you can
Not COVID.
you can sweat it out or whatever. So that's what I've been doing, drinking it hot. And that's how you make ginger lemon tea. Thank you guys for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, and hey, drink your ginger.
Yeah.